Hello everyone, this is teacher Kevin and welcome to another episode of Maths I Can Do. And with our great tips, I'm sure Maths you can do too. Today, you're going to be watching a video conferencing lesson on a question sent in by a student with regard to the topic of statistics, substrand, data representation, and interpretation. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the lesson.
Please don't draw. What is figure 5 so clever? I really am not so clever. Hey, go and draw. Right, that's what you all do. Please don't do this. Right, some people do figure 5, then change it to figure 5 and start drawing. You think you're so good, I don't even look at this. I don't even care what you draw. Okay, Ken? I only care about the table. Did I not tell you? I say when you do this, we must find the secret recipe. You understand or not? Okay? Recipe also can stand for my R, okay? Now I can change my R to Rachel, ratio, and recipe. I always tell you guys that some stores, some stores, like especially a Bishan there, the chicken rice, everybody kills that one. Neighbor, every time, wow, jealous man. How come? Every minute got people queue. Why? His chicken rice is so good. You people haven't been there? The Kim San Ling chicken rice store? Yeah, and then the neighbor, no business one. So what you think if I'm the neighbor, I was wondering what is his secret recipe,
Sure,
right?
the Kim San Ling one is to me got a lot of MSG.
Oh yeah, okay lah. That means his
Yeah.
secret recipe, is to add MSG.
yeah.
Okay, that I don't know, but I know that every minute some joker will kill. Then his kill never ending one. Then because of that, he become very proud. School people, you stand here, you stand there. Even Mr. Kevin kill there, ordered me around. Okay, I kill there quite. Get it? But now COVID-19, you need to humble, see? See, nobody there. I think after that, they beg people to go back. All right, I'm just joking. So let's find the secret recipe. Get it now? Okay. Now, if you think I haven't taught you, please learn now. All right. I am not interested to draw figure 5 for goodness sake. Okay. Don't draw figure 5 here. No. I'm not an artist. Okay. I'm only interested in the table. Okay. This one is like statistics. Okay. Or your topic on statistics in your maths. Okay. Be able to read number pattern. All right. See, I'm not even care. This one make of circles and square, right? Okay, find figure 1, 2, 3, 4. I told you my figure number, the number call it what? Miss Alejandro. Number, call it what? Call it what? N, yeah, because number call N, no? You all doing algebra and P6, what's the big deal, right? Call N, can see, This number can change one, become 1, become 2, number 3, number 4, right? Can change one, can Now, I'm not knocking your teacher or anything. So I'm just teaching my own. Everybody has their own. So if your teacher teach you some other method better than mine, use that. Okay, Ken? Mr. Kevin method is just one of the method, but I think it's good. Okay, Number of squares. Hey, people, just know that it's a square. I don't care. Okay, Ken? Right? All right, now look. Number of circles. Okay, just know that it's a circle. Okay, Ken? Yeah, okay, I'll put a circle here. All right. Total number of squares in circle. Even better. Circles plus square. Anyone? That's all. I read question like that. Yeah? So here, 1 square. All right, Ken? Yeah, Ken? Okay, yeah? All right, so you try. So now, look at this. I told you, right? See, somebody very clever. The student did. +3, +3, +3. Can you see now? And you look here. Whether this is +3 or not, I don't know. Is it +3? Look at this. 15 plus 10, 25. Look at this. 9 plus 7, 16. 5 plus 4, 9. 3 plus 1, 4. If I never even +3, how do I find this number? 36 minus 23, right, people? Understand? Because all these add up to all these numbers add up 1. Can you see, people? Can you see all these numbers add up 1? 3 plus 1, 4. 5 plus 4, 9. Yes or not? 9 plus 7, 16. All right, if PSLE come out, this don't cry. I see this is a very hard question. Why they give this, okay? Agree? Can see? 15 plus 10, 25. What is this? 23 plus what equal 36, right, people? Yes? Can you give me the number? Thank you. I'm going to blank this thing out. Huh? Thank you. Give me the number, Mr. Brian.
13.
Huh?
13.
13, thank you. All right, thank you very much, 13. Isn't it plus 3? Isn't it plus 3? Isn't it plus 3? Plus 3 again, right? I don't know who did it for me, but then I mean the student left it. So everything plus 3, right? That's cool, right? Hey, Mr. Kevin tell you all before, right? When all these plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3 are, you must find a secret formula, right? Straight away, write what? Plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. Straight away, write what? What did I tell you? Straight away, write what? 3 n. 3 times n. 3 times n, huh? Because plus 3, plus 3. Okay, then you check. Then you check, huh? Look, n is 1. N is 1, huh? Look, when n is 1 here. Look, huh? When is 1. You plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. If you plus 7, then 7n. You plus 5, plus 5, plus 5, this is 5n. Plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, 3n. 3 times n. N is 1. N can change. 3 times 1 is how much, Mr. Brian?
15.
Oh, 15. Thank you very much. 15. 3 times 1 is 15. Huh? 3 times 1 is 15? Are you kidding me? Hey, n is 1. What are you trying to... Sorry. Maybe I said something wrong. Okay, I don't know. But the pattern number 1 is here, right? Wait, I said 3, 3, 3, right? Can you see how? All 3, 3, 3. I said 3n, right? 3 times 1 is what?
3 or what? 3.
A 3, yes or no? 3, then how did it become 1? 3, how did it become 1? Plus, minus what? 3, how did it become 1? It's supposed to be 3 times 1. How did it become 1? The circle is 1 circle. How?
1 times 3 times minus 2.
Okay, minus 2, finish. We found the secret recipe. It's as simple as that. Come on. What's so difficult? All right, I always told you like that. Now you haven't heard, you better remember. Okay, I say, I don't believe you. Mr. Kevin, you bluff me, is it? What if the number pattern is 2? Okay, number pattern is 2, right? You're sure your secret recipe work or not? I don't want to scold up by people, right? Right? There. I found a secret recipe, is it? And right, the figure number now become 2, right? Miss Rachel, can you follow? So I say the secret recipe is 3n minus 2. Mr. Brian tell me that, minus 2. So 3 times 2, when n is 2, right? 3 times 2. You can see, understand why n is 2, n is 2. So 3 times 2 is what, Rachel? Rachel, 3 times 2 is what? 6 minus 2 is what?
4.
Eh? Is it 4? Eh? That's cool, right? Come on, someone, prove to me. Prove to me. I don't believe you 1, 2 times. When n is 3? 3 times 3, Alejandro? Wait, Alejandro, 3 times 3? Alejandro? No sound. Lucas, 3 times 3?
3 times 3 is 9.
9 minus 2?
Minus 2. Minus 2 is 7.
There, that's what you see. Can see. Okay, I just quickly. So when n is 4, 4 times 3?
12.
12 minus 2?
10.
Ooh, see? Do you believe in my secret formula? Right? 5 times n, 5 times 3 here. I think Mr. Brian was saying this one just now. 5 times 3, sorry, Mr. Brian. 5 times 3, 15, right, Mr. Brian? Minus 2, 13. Our formula is guaranteed or not? Guaranteed for circles or not? Rachel, convinced?
Yes.
If I ask you, hey, Miss Rachel, just for fun, if I ask you, what if when n is equal to 1,000? Oh, wait for me to draw the pattern 1,000 first. You must be crazy, right? What must we do? What's the answer if it's 1,000? When n is 1,000, when the pattern number, the figure number is 1,000. Hey, thank you for giving me so easy one. You say, what happened? What must you do? Rachel, the n is
1,000 times 3 minus
which is 3,000, right?
2. Yeah.
3,000 minus 2? What's the number circle?
2,098. 2,998.
Then it will be equal to, according to Mr. Brian, 1,000 times 3 minus 2. 3,000 minus 2 will be
2,998.
998. Woo! Do I need to draw pattern number? Must be crazy. No. Okay, Ken? All right, then. Is that cool? Miss Rachel, is that cool?
Yes.
Come, find me the secret formula here. Hey, you people, find me the secret formula for this. Come on, find me the secret formula for this. Come on. This is 1 become 4. You know what's 4? Is 2 square. You know what's 2 square? 2 times 2. Can you see now? This is 3 square. Can you see now? 2 increased by 1, then square it. 3 plus 1, then square it. Can you see now?
It's in odd
4
number.
plus
By
1,
odd
then
number.
square it. Can you see now? 5 becomes 6 square. Yes, no. So if it's n, what must it be? N plus 1 squared. Do you understand?
But Mr. Kelvin,
What's your
but
question?
I already know that they are increasing by odd number.
Okay, that's why I said, you know your odd numbers, whatever, you go ahead. I cannot think like you. I am giving you a general formula, secret recipe that applies to everything. Okay?
Yeah, mine's the exact same.
Okay, so if you use your formula, you think your formula works, I don't stop you. Please go ahead. This is for those who don't know. Anything to do. I give you something guarantee can do. Okay, Ken? So you just use your formula, no problem. Okay? Because I never change method one. So I don't want something that sometimes can work, sometimes cannot work. People, can you see? 1 plus 1. Then 2 square. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 square, 9. You understand square times itself. 3, when the pattern number is 3, I add 1 to it, become 4. Then 4 times 4, 4 square. 4 becomes add 1, 5. 5 times 5, 5 square, 25. 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 square. So when it's n, when it's pattern number n, then you just take n plus 1 and square it. Do you understand? Do you understand? Yes? So what is when it's figure 1,000? Can you tell me what's the answer? Wow. I really go and challenge myself. I'm crazy.
Oh,
what is the answer? When figure 1,000?
Figure 8.
Can you do it? I don't know when it's figure 1,000, Mr. Brian.
The answer is figure 8.
So this is 1,001 square. I don't care what it is. People, do you understand? All I'm interested to is 1,001 times itself. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Get it? Guarantee correct one. Don't go and draw pattern. But by Mr. Brian way, I don't know whether he can do 1,000 or 999 or 888. But
My
Mr.
method,
Kevin method sure can do.
10 minutes.
Yes, no, Mr. Brian, your method can do until 888. Figure 888.
My method is a really long one. I'd rather use this method.
Yeah, exactly. This method can use for any number. Rachel, understand or not?
Yeah.
Everybody understand? Then, how to find the number of squares? I don't care because they two add together one, right? They two add together, right? Then take this one minus this one. We'll give you this one. Yes or not? People. So I don't care. You ask me 1,000, I take this answer. Minus this will give me this. Agree or not?
Yeah.
Agree? Because these two must add up together. Crazy. Get it? Okay, so now we attempt to answer the question. Can I? So how to find the number of squares? When you find the number of circles and squares, which we got special formula, you can find the number of circles which you got special formula. You just minus to get the squares. Everybody understand what I'm talking about? Anthea? Long time no here. Lucas agree?
Yeah.
Yeah, Mr. Brian, if you use your method, can do for big numbers, you go ahead. Huh? So, okay,
No,
how
for
many
this, I
circles
can
are
use
there
for the
in figure
B
5?
one.
Okay,
I can
okay.
use for B.
All right, never mind, Mr. Brian, figure 5, so cheapo, right? Figure 5, when n is 5, what is it? We already found already 5 times 3 minus 2, 13. Wasting time, right? So, this one done. So, it is 13. Everybody agree? Okay, these are, give us more challenging ones, bigger number. A figure with the pattern, wow, don't know what pattern, no? Don't know what pattern, but has a total, here's your total, people. If you don't know what he's talking about this, total, can you see the total? Can you see, total, can you see, squares and circle here, total, squares and circle, talking about this formula. Woohoo, can you see, can you see, this formula, okay, is what? Let's undo it. This formula, that means talking about this formula. This formula, that means whatever you have, this formula will give you 81. That means I do a square root lah. What times itself is 81? What times itself is 81? What times itself is 81? Hey, square. Something square is 81. Must be 9, right? Right. But if this is 9, then the n got to be 8 because 9 is made for n plus 1. Can you see? Like there is 6, right? 6 is 5. So 81 is 9, then the pattern number must be 8. Do you all understand? You look at it, 4. 4 plus 1, 25. Then 25 is square root. You do square root, is 5. 5, then you will less 1. 36, you square root of 36. You know how to put square root? This one, square root on your thing. Square root 36 give you 6, but then you got the less 1. So 81, a square root of 81, it is 9. All right, get it or not? Get it? Get it? It's 9, and then 9 is less 1 now because whatever it is, it comes from a secret formula n plus 1. So your n must be 1 less. That means 8. Understand, Rachel? Alejandro? And yeah?
Yeah.
Cool, right? All right. Everybody, can I move on? So it's not so difficult if you understand what I've been teaching.
I think
Obviously, this
A and C are not difficult for me, but
another figure has 70 circles. 70 circles. What's my special formula for circle? Where's my formula for circle?
3n minus 2.
Ah, see, isn't Mr. Brian so clever? He abandoned his don't know what number plus. Okay? See, the secret formula for this is number of circles is 3n minus 2. Cool? So it has to work for everything. So the circle has to follow this formula. 3n minus 2 is equal to 70. Agree or not? Okay?
Yeah.
So what shall we do next? Okay, 3n minus 2. So what shall I do? Alejandro, we plus 2 here. Yes or not? To get rid of 2, we plus 2 this side. See?
Yeah.
So 3n, see, Mr. Kevin always using the same old method, never change one. 72. What is n?
24.
N is 24.
I also found 24.
Oh yeah, thank you very much. I hope you didn't draw a picture, but I'm not
No, I
really
used the
interested,
method.
so we're 24. But I'm just saying, once I have the secret formula, I can get to anything. You can tell me 8, whatever, I go and find for you. I know n is 24, huh? So I haven't finished. That means this guy is, oh, I don't have space. Can I have some space? So anyway, I found that n is 24. Mama mia.
The squares will add by 2 every single time.
No. So I found out the n for this when the circle has, what is it? 70 circles. Hello? This is not n, I haven't finished. I found the n only. The n must be 24. Do you understand? Pattern number 24 will give me this. I need to find how many total squares. How many squares, right? how many squares, right? So let's find the total first. Then the total minus the 70 will give you the square. That's what I've been telling you, right? I haven't finished, sorry. So I just found the n. Don't be so excited. Must read questions. See? How many squares? So Ken, I found the n is 24. So can you tell me how many total number of squares and circles? People, what must you do? 24. Who can tell me? Rachel,
24
Alejandro?
times
Follow
2 minus 1.
plus 1 square. Understand? They must follow this formula, ma. There, this formula. Get it or not?
Yeah.
So whatever n you have, 24 plus 1 square, what is it? 2, 2, 5. Get it or not? Is it? 25. Yeah? Everybody confirm? Yeah, then 225 minus 70 is your answer. Come on, give me the answer. Quick, quick, quick.
Wait, 225 minus how much?
You should know what? Hey, number of squares, number of circle, number of total, number of squares plus circle. Take the total square plus circle minus the circle will give you squares lah. Hello.
155 squares.
155. Yeah, 155. 155 square. People,
No,
do you
I got
understand what I mean?
But I got 46.
You wrong lah. I'm sure correct one. What is your problem? What do you do? What method you do? Ask Lucas lah. Lucas very clever to see this one. Okay, Lucas don't use my method. You can find out one. You ask Lucas, what's the answer? Is it 155? Antia, don't use my method. Do you agree it's 155? People, do you agree what I'm doing? Because the circle is 70, it must abide by this formula. So I plus 72 divided by 3, 24. So I find that at the circle 70 will happen at the sequence number 24. Figure number 24, you get 70 circles. Because 24 times 3 is 72. Minus 2 is 70. Good. It happened at 24. Then what on earth is my one? The down here is this plus 1, which is 25 square, 225. I take this 225. 225 is the total square and circle minus the circle will give me the square, 115. No way I'm wrong. Okay? You can use whatever way. That's why I say don't use ways that sometimes work, sometimes cannot work. Sometimes you can think, sometimes you can't think. Mr. Kelvin one is standardized one. Okay? Never ask you no think, a thing, well, just follow what I do, you will do. You'll get it. Agree, Alejandro? Rachel?
Yeah.
Lucas, every time might not want to follow my idea one. So Lucas, confirm. Antia, confirm. I believe myself, I sure believe correct one, but when I teach my students, they don't see. You understand? Alejandro, you trust me or not? Hey. Alejandro.
Yeah.
Sure correct one, Mr. Kevin. Okay? Because I've proven to you, I never say like some steps you don't understand. Miss Rachel, I understand lah.
Yes.
Yeah, so never mind, we have more pattern question I'll show you lah. Find secret formula. Okay? I expect you all be able to do. Yeah. So Antia and Lucas, I don't know. I told them to listen to class, they don't want to listen, and now they could have their own ways. Then I asked them to confirm the answer. Nobody comes in.
I think
Lucas,
it was the same
155,
answer.
Antia?
Mine is the same answer.
Yours is the same answer. Antia, you are speaking, is it, Antia?
Yeah.
And you found 155.
Yes.
Thank you very much. I got confirmation. Okay? Of course, I don't need your confirmation also lah. I believe myself one, but if you confirm with me, I'm happy lah. Okay?
Yeah,
Because finally I heard Antia speaking. Okay. Thanks for joining us. Please give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. And for more great tips like this, make sure to watch Maths I Can Do.